Do you know that children who have very strong relationships with their parents are as twice more likely to succeed in school and in life generally? So, what are you doing? What is the bond between you and your kids? Are you bonding, or you are just coexisting? Welcome back to my channel, Life Skills Hacks. In this video, I will be highlighting at least 5 simple but powerful activities that when you engage in these activities with your children, you would be building a very good bond between you and your children. The first activity, very simple but effective, is cooking. Yeah, you get it right. Cooking as an activity. So you and your children decide what you're gonna cook. You find what it takes to cook, all the ingredients, allow your children to be very active in the process. You go to the shop, get these ingredients, come home, cook that meal together, and eat together. Yes, during this cooking process, there should be interaction. Ask your child questions, answer your child's questions, and this way you would realize that your child will feel very comfortable. Your child might even say things that he or she would not have told you. So cooking is a very powerful interactive activity to strengthening the bond between you and your child. And then the next interactive activity that can strengthen the bond between you and your child is through games. Any game at all, where your child is involved, where your child understands the rules of the game, and where your child is actively enthusiastic in that particular game. Games more especially that would have emotions as a central theme. Games where you act out emotions, emotions like happiness, sadness, frustrations, and all those other emotions. So if you have games that promote emotions, board games, card games, so that at least once in a week you play these games with your children. You make it lively, put snacks by the side, maybe music in the background, and you play this game together. It's a simple but a powerful way of building bond with your child. The third activity that promotes bonding is walks. Walk in the nature, maybe once in a week or over the weekends. You can always, let's say, a kilometer walk into the forest, or just around the neighborhood, and you point out things whilst you walk. You learn about new things. Just make sure that the walk has a theme. Okay, today we're gonna see how many butterflies we can meet on the way, or we're gonna see how many yellow cars, so that both you and your child, you all have what we call same focus. It's a simple but effective bonding activity. Now, the fourth activity that you as a parent can use to create bonding with your children is finding a specific day within the week. Maybe Friday or the weekends, end of the days in the weekends, and you just call it happy day. Happy Friday, happy Saturday, happy Sunday. And the theme for this concept is that everybody has free will to do what they want, but within the limits and boundaries of the family. You are not supposed to be angry or frustrated. It is just to have fun, watch a movie together, go to the restaurant together, something that promotes family, and when you have this at home, it creates bond between you and your children. The last point is, it's also simple, but mostly we forget. We have to express our love for our kids physically and verbally. Physically, children need physical contact. So the hugs, the pecks, the pats on the shoulders, and all this. That is ways your children can get to know that you love them, and you telling them, spewing out the magical word, I love you. Do it. Let them hear it daily, weekly, and then before you realize it, there is a stronger bond between you and your children. And when there's a stronger bond between you and your children, they will grow to become robust and resilient children. They will grow to become very emotionally intelligent, and they will be successful in whatever they do. Leave your comments if you have any suggestions to this video, and catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye.